Good day, everyone. We are the Group 7 and we are assigned to solve the problem dataset number 7. I am Russell Bintaha and together with me is Diana Fiorao, Ivy Estel Landuay, and Shizel Mil Lunda. And this is our assigned topic. Number 7, a survey was conducted among NBSC students. The monthly income of both parents in thousands of pesos of 32 randomly selected students of NBSC.
I am Diana Fioro, assigned to solve problem letter A. The first question here is to compute the mean, median, and mode. To compute the mean, we need to add all the given numbers and divide it into how many numbers. Total of number is amounted to 1030. Divided it into 32 will result to 32. The median. First, we need to sequence the given numbers into lowest to biggest and get the middle number. Here the middle number is 28 plus 30. Divide it into 2 will result to 29. The next mode is 10, 12, 15, 18, 25, 38, 40. These are the number that appears most frequently is a set of dates.
Good day, everyone. I am Ivy Estel Napuni Landuay, and today I will be explaining the letter B. The question is calculate the range, variance, and standard deviation. First, range, get the biggest number and the smallest number in the given data, so it is 72 minus 5 equals 67. Next, the variance. We need to calculate first the mean deviation, and here our mean deviation is amounted to 12,010. As you can see here in the formula of variance, E squared of standard deviation equals mean deviation x minus x bar squared, so our variance is 387.42 squared. And our standard deviation is 19.67. We just need to get the square root of variance. Next is letter C. We have here the normal curve. As you can see, our middle 68% is 12.33 to 51.61. In our other discussion, we mentioned our mean amounted to 32 and standard deviation of 19.67. You just have to add standard deviation to the right from the 32 and subtract left from 32.
I'm Shazel, assigned to solve the problem D, E, and F. So first we have her letter D. The problem is Z equals X minus X bar divided to standard division. Rx is amounted to 20 and Rx bar is 32. And the standard division is 19.67 will result to negative 0.61. That's the result of Z1. Z2, 45 minus 32 divided 19.67 will result to 0.66, same formula. Next, letter E. First, we need to find where is 80% belong to the given Z table. It is 0.84. As you can see here in our PPT, the closest to 0.80 are 0.7995 and 0.8023. So, the score that belongs to top 20 are 15.48 or more. We need to calculate Z equals X minus X bar divided standard deviation. Our Z is 0.84 and X bar is 32. First, use cross multiply. So, 0.84 and 19.67, copy X minus 32 will result to 15.48. Next slide, the bottom 10%, find 10% the given Z table, and it is belong to 0.10027, which has a Z score of negative 1.28. So the score that belongs to the bottom 10% are 67 or 655. Letter F. the formula is z equals x minus x bar divided to standard division. Rx is 15, x bar is 32. Standard division 19.67 will result to negative 0.86.
Good day. Again, I am Russell Bintaha and I am assigned to solve the problem letter G and H. As you can see here, the formula of how to solve this problem is z equals x minus x bar divide standard deviation. Here, our x amounted to 40 and x bar 32 and standard deviation 19.67 will result to 3.67. Last, here same formula. Our z amounted to 1.25 equals x minus x bar 32 and 19.67 standard deviation will result to 56.56. So that will be all. Thank you so much for listening.